Welcome to making dog biscuits with Ollie and Britt. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Measure out 2.5 cups of wheat flour and pour it into the bowl. You will need 1 egg for this recipe. I am going to use this honey that's very special to me. I brought it home from Hawaii. I went to a farmer's market that was selling Hawaiian sourced honey, and I felt that this recipe deserved this absolutely wonderful honey, which you can order to ship home. You will need 2 heaping tablespoons full of honey. Now begins the fun part. Mixing this was not easy, and as you will see, I eventually ended up moving to using my hands, which end product turned out pretty cool. Alrighty, back to business. So this rolling pin's really neat. There's rings on it that you can take off. You can set the height or the width of your dough that you're rolling out. I particularly did a little bit thicker of the dog treat here, which you'll see rose beautifully. Of course, I laid down some flour, and this little cookie cutter I bought at my local hometown kitchen place, but I am pretty sure you could probably order a cutout from Amazon as well. You will need your sheet pan with a liner of some sort. My choice was a silicone mat. Put into oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I put mine in for 16, but they came out pretty crispy. You can put them in depending on your thickness and how crispy you want. For a little extra spice, I heated up 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of honey and melted for 30 seconds for some frosting. Wow, look at all these dog biscuits Ollie plans to share with his friends. I decided to let Ollie be the taste tester of the frosting, and I think he highly approves. Here I am just taking a small Ziploc, also testing the temperature of the bowl to make sure that the frosting is not too hot to go into the bag, but still pliable. When I put it into the bag, I will snip a very small corner of the bag and I will drizzle over the biscuits as shown here. Thank you for watching, everyone. All sources will be linked down below in the comments section. I appreciate you so much for taking the time and watching my cutesy little video with Ollie. He is my ESA and he will be turning 10 this year. My best friend.